Today, we'll show you how to set up your Venu and pair with the Garmin Connect app for the very first time. To set up the watch and pair with the app, you will need your watch and your smartphone. In this video, we will be using an iPhone, but the instructions are the same for Android phones. If you don't already have the Garmin Connect app on your phone, start by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. After it's installed, go ahead and sign in or create a new account. Once you are signed in, you will be able to pair your watch. Start by powering on your watch. The first time you power the watch on, you will be asked to select a language. The watch will ask if you want to pair the phone. Select the green check mark to put the watch in pairing mode. This is the fastest way to complete the setup and sync your user preferences. If you touch the red X, the watch will walk you through the manual setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to manually set up your Venu. When the watch is in pairing mode, your phone will walk you through the pairing process. It will start by finding your watch. Touch Connect It when your watch is found. You will then be asked to enter or confirm a passcode. This will be displayed on the watch. The app will then walk you through the setup process. You will be asked to enter or verify some information such as sleep times, physio true-up preference, and which wrist you wear the watch on. Make your selections and then touch Next at the bottom. When the setup is complete, your watch will sync with the app. All of your user preferences are being downloaded to the watch. After the watch syncs, you will be offered a brief tutorial about using your Venu. Touch Next to go through the tutorial or Skip to go directly into the app. And that is how you pair your watch with the Garmin Connect app. For more videos on setting up and using your Venu, visit the Venu page at support.garmin.com.